Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking gladiola. They're so wonderful, beautiful line material, coming back in popularity. But when they're closed, not nearly as dramatic as you want them to be. You can hasten their opening with a simple technique. Just snap the top off. It's called tipping a gladiola. So you're breaking that top off. Then give it a cut. Put it in warm water mixed with flower food, and they'll open more rapidly. For even faster, place a plastic bag over the top, creating a hothouse effect, and they'll open the fastest ever. Now you know the pro technique.